How to make money. Here are the basics of making money that I've learned over the past 3+ years as an online entrepreneur. Number one, you have to have a product, a service, or a skill that people want, and not just want, but they are willing to exchange their money for. Now, your product, your service, or your skill must provide more comfort, make things faster, make things easier for other people. Now, in the past 3 years, I have sold coaching, consulting programs, courses, aside every other thing I've sold. And how have I been able to make millions of naira from doing this? This is because I looked into my market, all right, that is into the coaching space, the coaching industry in Nigeria, and I realized that there was a gap that needed to be filled. This video is not to tell you about that gap, but you need to look at your industry, whether you are new, whether you are old. Doesn't matter what you are selling. If you are selling something, you want to do something that nobody else has done before, or you want to do something that somebody has done before in a new, better, faster, and easier way. So I bridged that gap. By bridging that gap, I made more money, and I'm still bridging that gap even up to today. In fact, there's another principle whereby you don't have to bridge the gap, because when you are bridging a gap, it means your customers, your clients, the people that you are selling to, they are on this end, and this is their desired outcome. You can create a new system, all right, for this set of people, so they don't have to be looking for a bridge or trying to get through the other end, but they want to come through your own end. All right. Now I know I'm speaking in parables per se, but if you understand what I'm saying, you would understand the basic facts of making money online. Find a product, find a service, find a skill, sell it to people that need it, bridge the gap, and make money. Now, in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how can you sell a product without owning a product. This is Ajolu Shadia Entrepreneur, and this is 102 lessons from the entrepreneur himself. I love you. Shalom.